Hi, I am Sumit, a CS student from NIT Warangal. Today we are going to discuss about competitive programming. Some basic questions which beginners had doubt about the competitive programming when they start competitive programming. So, what basically competitive programming is? A competitive programming is a part of your coding in which you will solve a complex program. The length of the problem will be long, but the solution, all the solution, the hidden solution will be within a formula. You need to derive some formula from the given questions. You will observe some pattern and you will derive some formula. Basically, you will use lots of math during solving this formula. This is quite different from DSA, right? For example, if you see the example here, you need to find sum of first and natural number. Suppose you want to remember the formula of sum of first and natural number. What first things you will do? You will derive the formula. You will derive the formula n plus 1 divided by 2. Then you directly return. You will take the input from the user n and you will return n plus 1 divided by 2. Basically, this is the CP. CP basically means solving problem, coding plus speed and logic. After that, here comes what are the benefits of CP. CP is going to be one of the very important things that will actually build your experience of coding. You'll feel exactly what coding is. Is it tough? Is it easy? You'll experience and what CP will do for you. It will extend your problem solving. It will build your logic thinking. You'll start understanding the algorithm. You'll start understanding deep. You'll go on the problem deep inside, and you'll find the solution. And you'll find a general solution. Which solution can be used by everyone, and it will make a long question a short answer. Okay, and what are the requirements? Do you need anything for a CP? The basic thing you need is you need to know any of the language like C++, Python, Java, JavaScript. You first learn any of the programming language, and after that you start CP. If you want, you can start CP along with your DSA. Your basic things are you need laptop, internet connection, basic knowledge of, and do it actually help in your job or placement? The answer is of because when you apply for jobs you'll have a first of all you will have OT online test, like it will be a coding round in which you will be given some 3-4 questions, some will be easy, medium, hard, under a given time constraint, and you need to answer those questions. Of course, if you practice a CP, it will teach you time constraint practice and build a logic. It will help you in your OT. After that, in interviews, during interviews, your interviewer will ask about your CP. Do you have any CP background, and do you have any CP experience? And if you have practiced a CP, you can easily find the edge cases, because in CP you will find the most difficult thing is finding the edge cases for passing all the test cases. And also you'll be glad to hear that a person with having a CP background got easy offers, job offers, like if you see companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook especially look for the people for competitive programming experience. Now here comes where to practice CP competitive programming. There are lots of platform, and the most famous platform is Codeforces. After that, CodeChef, HackerRanks. LeetCode is basically for DSA. It is famous for DSA. It is you can ignore this. Then Codeforces, CodeChef, and there are also some other platforms. I'll show you Codeforces website. Just a minute. This is the official website for Codeforce. You can come register here and you'll start practicing. You'll find it when you'll start, you'll find difficulty in finding what kind of problem should I start. You can visit to this channel. This channel is named by TL Eliminator. By this channel, they have launched a sheet which is basically covering the level wise, rating wise problems of Codeforces. If you are beginner, you can start with 800 rating questions, 800 rating questions on Codeforce. I'll show you the website too. Just a minute. The website is named by TL Eliminator sheet. If you come, type TL Eliminator CP sheet. If you come here, log in here, get your profile, and you'll start. If you want to start CP, start from Codeforce and come and access this sheet. This sheet is totally free. You don't need to pay any money for this. And come start with 800 rating. This is my own program. I have also started just Codeforce. So it is of 800 rating. After that, you'll complete 900, 10,000. Each rating will covers 21 questions, 31 questions. It is a good level. At starting, you'll find some easy problems. After that, let's go back. This is and free resources. If you want to learn about CP, you can visit YouTube. There are lots of channel, and also I have said you one channel, TL Eliminator. You can go and that. For DSA, you can follow the Take You Forward, Striver, Cody Harry, and that's fine. You can easily start CP now. What will be the final tips? The final tips: you need to be consistent, code regularly. Don't copy the solution. Like what kind of problem we generally face is nowadays we if we get some debug in our code, we directly copy our code and paste it to a chat GPT, and the chat GPT does our debugging, which is very bad practice. If you say it is bad practice, because during interview rounds, coding rounds, we'll face a problem for debugging is one of the very toughest things, because if you code once and if you are unable to find the debug, it is going to be a headache. It is going to be very stressful things. I have according to my experience, I'm saying start minimizing the use of ChatGPT for debugging, especially for debugging. If you don't understand the question, you can use ChatGPT to understand the question, but for debugging, you should debug yourself. Use in the rare case, means if you become very frustrated, if the you spend lots of time above 1 hours, then you should definitely use ChatGPT for debugging or small kind of things. Okay, join the communities, stay with your peers, make a friend circle in which you have like-minded peoples, and you should start. Also, one of the important things, you can give approx 45 minutes per question if you are starting a CP, or it will take more time if you will go to solve more rating question. So average time is 30 to 45 minutes if you are in a if you are beginner, if you are solving 800 900,000 rating problems. That's all for today, and you can start your CP now. Thank you.